Expand your Swahili diction. Milele, forever. Zamani, in the past. Sasa, now. Baadaye, later. Sasa hivi, right now. Hivi karibuni, soon. Nitakuwepo, I'll be there. Sitakuwepo, I won't be there. Nimewahi, I have ever. Sijawahi, I have never. Nimechoka, I am tired. Sijachoka, I am not tired. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.